Hello YouTube, today I'm going to show you how to make an origami bird basket. Now it's so easy and you gotta follow the instructions. Okay, so you should take origami paper or turn a piece of printer paper into a square piece of paper. Just take it and you do that. Okay. Now what you want to do is you want to fold here and fold. Press on. You should have something that looks like this. Do it on the other side now. Sorry about that accident I just did. There you go. You should have something that looks like this. Now what you want to do is you want to take this, corner, fold. If you didn't see, this is how you do it. Take this and fold it into the line. Now you close it and you do it with the other. Just close. Okay, we're almost done with the bird basket. Okay, to make the beak, you just push down on this corner, then you made the beak. There you go. Beak. Now what you're gonna do, you're gonna leave this is the tail and this is the head. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna take this and fold it. Now do it on the other side. Now you have your bird basket. You have your bird basket now. Okay. And you want the bird basket to stand, you just take, okay, if you're using a full-size paper, full-size square paper, take this and fold it up. Like that. Okay. But if it's not, doesn't reach the floor like this, like mine's, you could just push it in, like you just put your finger in, then you fold those, and there you go. Your origami bird basket. So, you can store stuff in, like little stuff. Like this helmet. Little Lego helmet. From this Lego guy. Okay, thanks for watching. Bye.